Chapter 2, 8th class, Linear Equation, Exercise 2.2. First problem. If a subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. Let the number x minus subtract half number x minus 1 by 2 and multiply x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Cross multiplication 2x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 into 1 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2x minus 1 equal to already given 1 by 8. Cross multiplication 8 of 2x minus 1 equal to 1 into 4, 4. 2, 8 to 16x minus 8 equal to 4. 16x equal to transform the minus 8 to plus 8, 4 plus 8, 12. X equal to 12 by 60. 4 3s 4 4s 3 by 4. X value is 3 by 4. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than the twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth? Perimeter ఇచ్చాడు 154 centimeters. 2 meters more than breadth and twice. The breadth of rectangle equal to 6 meters. The length equal to L, 2x plus 2. Breadth is twice and breadth is 2 meters. Its length is 2 meters. 2x plus 2 twice. 2x plus 2 equal to meters. Perimeter P equal to already given 154 meters. Perimeter formula rectangular 2L plus B. Length and breadth 2 of length and breadth equal to 154 equal to 2 equal to L value 2x plus 2 substitute plus B value x equal to 154. 4x 2 into 2 4x plus 4 2 into 2 4 plus 2x equal to 154. 4x plus 2x 6x plus 4 equal to 154. 6x equal to 154 minus 4. 6x equal to 150. X equal to 150 by 6, 25. 2 3s 2 7s 5 3 1s 3 25s. Breadth equal to 25 centimeters. Length equal to 2x plus 2. 2 of x value 25. Substitute plus 2. 50 plus 2 52 meters. Second problem. Third problem. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeters. The perimeter of triangle is 4 2 by 5 centimeters. Mixed fraction given. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Isosceles triangle A B C. Two sides AB AC are equal. BC given 4 by 3. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. AB equal to x centimeters. We take AC equal to x given. BC equal 4 centimeters. Perimeter equal to already perimeter given 62 by 15 meters. Mixed fraction given. That mixed fraction we write 4 to 15. 15 fours 60 plus 2. 62 by 15. Perimeter of triangle is called triangle ABC. AB plus BC plus AC equal to 62 by 15. X value AB equal to X equal AB equal to X, BC equal to 4 by 3 already given problem, plus X, AC equal to X, 26, X plus X, 2X, 2X plus 4 by 3 equals 62 by 15, 2X equals 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3, transform the 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3, LCM 15, 5 ones 5, 62 minus 3 5s 15, 5 4s 20, 42 by 15, 2X equal 42 by 15, X equal to 42 by 15 by 2, X equal to 2 ones 2 21 21 by 15, 3 sevens 3 5s 7 by 5, X equal 7 by 5, B equal AB equal to AC equal to 7 by 5 centimeters.